Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to make peanut butter and jelly. Now the first thing we have to do is wash our hands. I've already done that, and I know you guys all know how because we've done it many times in class for different situations. So the things we'll need today for peanut butter and jelly are some peanut butter, some kind of jelly, some kind of bread. I just have weird round bread today, a knife, and a plate. Let's get started. Okay, so I've already pulled my bread out of the package, okay? And you might need to pull two pieces out, okay? So these would be my two pieces, okay? And then I like to put the peanut butter on first. Okay, you get a big scoop on your knife. Pick a side. And just spread it out all even. Might have to go back for some more. I like chunky peanut butter. Some people like smooth, but I like chunky. Okay. And then you can put your knife back in your peanut butter while you're getting your jelly ready. Okay, I have the kind that you don't have to scoop it out with the thing, but you could, if you do, get a fresh knife and scoop it out. My jelly though, you can just tip it upside down and squeeze some out. Now I just put it on the side that I already put my peanut butter on because I think it's easier spread out that way. There we go. Just kind of make a pile. Right. There we go. Some people put it on this side, but I think it's easier just to put it on the same side. But you can put it on this side if you want and then flip it over. I just leave it on the same side. And just kind of spread it out. That way when you flip it, it doesn't go flying anywhere. But you can do it if you want. Kind of wipe off your knife. Put the top on. Alright. And then some people like to cut it. Okay, so just be careful. You should be able to do it with a butter knife. Okay. Alright. Some people like to have some sides with their sandwich. So if you want to do a healthy side, you could do an apple. Yum. Okay. You could also do maybe some carrots. Okay, I've got some carrots. Or if you're really lucky and your parents say it's okay to have a naughty side sometimes, right? Everything in moderation. Yum. So now you know how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So next time you're hungry or you want to make some lunch, help your parents out and make your own. See you next time.